Good morning. My name is Anthony Kohler. Today I'll be talking about Chapter 2, Case Study 3, Taxes and the Cannabis Industry. This case study is relatively clear-cut. Harry is Haley's manager at a small CPA firm. At least it seems to be a small firm. Haley is a staff accountant there, and she's working on a tax return for a small business in the cannabis industry, which is cash-based. Due to federal regulations, they do not have a bank account. Harry is pressuring Haley to underreport their revenues by 25% in order to understate their tax liability for the year. It would be easy to do this because of the fact that they don't have a bank account. So Harry thinks that it wouldn't be a big deal, and Haley should go along with it. He wants her to be involved because he's hoping that there will be more business coming down the pipeline as far as audit work and financial planning for some of the owners of the business. Haley's not on board with this, and Harry is pressuring her to do this, and they have a meeting planned for Monday along with the partner that's in charge of the tax department. So from the case study, it's not 100% clear, but I believe Harry is involved with assurance, and it seems like he would be the manager that would be in charge of the audit project. So this brings up several issues. Haley obviously is dealing with some cognitive dissonance. So she has the choice of changing her behaviors or beliefs about the situation. So clearly Haley is not on board with committing fraud, which underreporting revenues by 25% would be a fraudulent event. So she has the choice of changing her beliefs about that, which I think would be difficult for her. She could acquire new information that outweighs the dissonant beliefs, which in this case, I don't know that there would be much information that would change her mind about the fraudulent nature of this request. She could reduce the importance of her cognitions, so that would mean that she could change her attitude or belief about the importance of this fraud, which I would hope that would not apply in this case because clearly this is an obvious fraudulent event. So the question now is, what does Haley do with this information? What does she do going forward? From my perspective, she has three choices. First, she can flat out deny underreporting the revenue and tell Harry that he needs to do this fraud himself if that's what he wants to do. The second option would be to talk to the manager or partner in the organization who's in charge of quality control or ethics. There may be a peer review requirement due to the fact that they are an audit firm. So another firm would have to review their work for accuracy and deficiencies. So the second option, again, is she could talk to whoever this person is and let them know her concerns about this fraud. The third and least optimal option would be to talk to the State Board of Accountancy and be a whistleblower. She could talk to the board about the fraudulent intent of Harry as a CPA. And obviously that would affect his license and his ability to continue in the job as an accountant. I believe it's probably not the most optimal choice to be a whistleblower because it could affect her, employability down the line. So I would definitely lean towards options 1 or 2, either flat out refuse to have any part of this, or 2, to talk to somebody within the organization to let them know that Haley is not comfortable with this request and that she's not going along with it.